Jalapeño chicken. It will go right on top in 45 minutes. You're watching mairbornhungry. This is YouTube channel of mairbornhungry. Let's get straight into the video. Less talking and more work. So this is a whole chicken. This is approximately about 3.2 pounds of whole chicken. This is skinless. This is a whole chicken. As we all know, we will make some cuts on our chicken. I'm making vertical cuts on the breast all the way deep. Deep vertical cuts means you have to leave at least half-inch of the space in between, and you have to go all the way deep in. It doesn't matter, man. Just have some cuts on your chicken breast. Go all the way from back. This recipe, you can make this from the legs or thighs or even chicken breast. It doesn't matter. Just follow the same recipe for your air fry. I'm telling you. Just make some vertical cuts on the chicken first. But look at this, okay? It has all vertical cuts. We'll land this whole chicken right here in a marination or marinade bowl. We will take cumin, okay? This is at least 2 whole tablespoons of cumin, which is 15 grams of cumin. Add all of this right here in our juicer blender. These are coriander seeds. Look at this. This is 3.2 lbs of the chicken and 8 of the whole jalapeno. Since it's a jalapeno chicken, right? So 8 of the jalapenos, which is approximately about 12.3 ounces of jalapenos. Slice them, chop them, whatever you want to do, just make smaller version of these guys. Fresh cloves of garlic. This is 59 grams of fresh cloves of garlic. I have frozen these guys, that's why they look transparent. So we will add this right in our blender juicer right here. 2 whole tablespoons of white distilled vinegar. We'll grab this, we'll blend this, and I'll show you the smoothie of this guy. Here you go. This is the salt, okay? After making all this marinade, we will at least add 2 whole tablespoons of salt on this 3.2 lbs of the chicken. This is meat tenderizer, okay? If you don't want to add this, it's all okay, it's all fine. But do add it, your chicken will be more tender, more soft. 1 whole tablespoon right here. This is green food color. You want to make your food tempting. Green food color in powder. 1 whole tablespoon goes in here. It makes the food tempting for the customers, for your guests, everybody. They're gonna love it. And look at this marinade we made. I showed you all the quantity, all the ingredients, this whole jar. It will go right on top of it. Very easy thing to do. Just massage it. Look at this green color. Isn't it popping green color? That's what I wanted. Okay. Massage your chicken at least for 5 to 10 minutes. Just make sure everything gets this green sweet color. It's a jalapeno chicken. It has to be green. My friend, you're missing this recipe. It's very easy to make. Instant recipe. It will take a couple of hours of your time, and this will be the new bomb recipe you can ever think about. Let this recipe sit in this marinade for at least 45 minutes, and I'll see you guys after 45 minutes with my air fryer on. Air fryer jalapeno chicken is marinated at least for an hour. So look at this, guys. We will turn it on. We'll put it on air crisp. Okay, it says 390 degrees. We will set the time right now. Okay, so we will set the time. This is a whole chicken. Okay, so we will set the time at least for 45 minutes at 390 degrees. We will start it. Look at from the inside. I have an air fryer. This is not air grill, this is air fryer. I'll set it right here and we'll wait another couple minutes so we can land this beauty. Look at this greeny beauty. This is jalapeno chicken. You can make this recipe same way I told you, by chicken breast, by chicken legs, or by chicken thighs. Even you can use the meat as boneless, you know. Follow this recipe, you will love it, and wait until you get the end part of it. Chicken, we made it all together. It's been over an hour. We marinated this chicken. Let's add this whole beauty right here, just like that. Okay, we have made some mess. You will make some mess, but it's fine. Just wipe down the surfaces. Okay, so it looks clean, it looks good. It goes right here. You can add some little more marinade right on top. Okay, let's make sure chicken is landing. It's gonna be in here just like this. Close this. Let's wait 44 minutes, just the way it is, you know. Just leave it, forget it. 40 minutes, do whatever you want, and I'll see you after that. 5 minutes. Okay, this is our jalapeno air fried roasted chicken right here, guys. This is the moment of truth. OMG, look at this. Woo-hoo. Focus here for a moment. I made a bed of white basmati rice. I've chopped some jalapeno, some lemon. It took us at least 2 hours. Ooh, the whole chicken got separated. So look at the leg part. This is right here. Let's land this right here. Look at how beautiful it looks.
I wish I could give you up, but you're my new favorite drug. Enter into my blood, run with my toxic